In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Evernote data. Exporting your notes from Evernote can be incredibly useful, especially if you wish to create backups or transfer your information to another platform. So, let's get started. First things first, open your Evernote desktop app. This is the best place to begin, as the desktop version makes it simple to manage large quantities of data effectively. Once you've got the app up and running, it's time to decide what exactly you want to export. You have the option to either focus on an entire notebook or select up to 100 individual notes at once. This flexibility allows you to cater to your specific requirements, whether you're looking to back up everything or just certain items. After making your selection, right-click to bring up the context menu. Here, you'll want to choose the Export option. This selection is crucial, as it's your gateway to saving your data outside of Evernote. When you click Export, a new window will open, presenting you with format choices that dictate how your data will be stored. Now, at this point, you have a couple of formats to choose from. The ENEX format, or .enex file extension, is particularly beneficial if you're looking for full backups and want import flexibility later on. This choice is ideal for those who foresee needing to reintegrate this data back into Evernote or transfer it to another app that accepts ENEX files. On the other hand, if you require your notes in a readily shareable or web-friendly format, you might opt for HTML. This will allow you to export either in a single-page or multi-page format, suitable for browsing outside of the Evernote ecosystem. HTML is especially handy if you plan to open your notes using a web browser or share them online. Additionally, there's an option to include attributes with your export. You can choose to maintain tags, authors, and creation dates, giving you a fuller historical record of your notes. This is particularly useful for those who rely heavily on tags for organization or who need to retain authorship details for collaboration documentation. Once you've made your decisions regarding format and attributes, go ahead and click the Export button. You'll then be prompted to choose a save location on your computer. Be sure to select a safe and accessible location. This ensures you can easily locate your exported data whenever you need it. And that's it. Your notes will begin exporting, and once finished, you'll have a secure backup of all your selected Evernote data. This method ensures your important notes are readily available outside of Evernote's confines, providing peace of mind and flexibility. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep your data safe.